I think I can ask you this question. If Somalia occupied, Djibouti Republic destabilized it and occupied, directly or indirectly, by the Soviet hidden sovereignty. And then they begin to control and begin to destabilize many other countries. Do you think that the Western will allow them to control the route, or vital route to Europe and to United States? And again, in accordance to this plan, even Arabian Soviets and others will be destabilized and done that. Certainly isn't a beginning of a third world war. Would the Western will accept this? Certainly not. Although it will be too late, but anyway, they will act against. Soviet, who already become big ambassador of the area, certainly will continue its line. And then want to be leading to a third world war? Yes, certainly. That is my belief.